Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 294. And if we start with this column, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. And for this row, we're also missing 6 and 8. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 7, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this top row, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. The 3 can't be here, so it must be here. For this box now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 8. So that means the only place the 9 can be in that box is here. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 3. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 7. And I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here. So our 5 must be here. That 4 makes this our 7, 4. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row now, we're just missing a 6. That 6 makes this our 8, 6, 8, 6, 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 3, 2 here, so 1, 3, 3 here, so 1, 2. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 2, 6 here, so 3, 6. That 2 makes this our 1, 3, 2. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 1 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.